This is the summarizing video for first chapter BRM. In this video, I'm going to just tell about the different topics and the marks and how many marks each question would come. So meaning could be asked for 2 marks, definition also. When they ask you the meaning or a definition, first you write a definition in one definition and also the meaning in the next para. Research approaches obviously for 5 marks or individually could be asked for 2 marks. So inductive, as you know, it will start from a observation and finally it moves to a theory. Deductive, first theory, then it comes for a lower confirmation. Then purpose could be asked for 5 marks, or even if it is aims or objectives, one and the same. Types is the most important question. Maybe individually could be asked for 5 marks, like explain the differences between quantitative and qualitative research, or descriptive and applied research, or pure and applied research, or differences between the conceptual and empirical research. Like this, they might ask individually for 5 marks, or the entire things for 12 marks, or any question, any one single research, taking it for 2 marks. So just have a glance on all the types of research in detail. So steps of process and research could be asked for 12 marks, or for each and individual step could be asked for 5 marks. For example, in the first, the criteria could be asked for 5 marks, the purpose of review of literature for 5 marks, then types of hypothesis is the most important question, could be asked for 5 marks, or any one type of hypothesis could be asked for 2 marks with an example. And the most important question is what is hypothesis is also important for 2 marks. So the most important topic. And here the null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis also is the most important topic and important method. Then continuing with the fourth method, just have a glance on the steps. Then coming to the scope of business research, could be asked for 5 marks. Then differences between methods and research methodology could be asked for 2 marks or 5 marks. Note taking could be asked for 5 marks, that is the types, or meaning of note taking for 2 marks. So individually they can ask what is active, what do you mean by active note takers or passive note takers kind of for 2 marks, and you should know mention the difference between passive and active note taking methods for 5 marks. Then the methods of note taking for 5 marks, or all together, that is types, methods and everything for 12 marks, but till now it's not been mentioned in any previous question papers. Maybe asked for 5 marks or 2 marks from the note taking topic. So that's all. So just go through with all the videos thrice, listen to all the videos thrice, and if you have any queries on any topic, you can ping me to this mail, that is, you know my official mail ID, so ping me so that I'll get you back. Thank you.